So let's drop the rig. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm on the kayak today again. Today I'm targeting jack mackerel about this size. It's a very tasty fish. Personally, it's better than yellowtail and the snapper. So let's get started. The spot for jack mackerel is 2 miles away from the shore. The rig I'm using is sabiki, imitation of the white bait. And water depth is around 38 meters to 40 meters. See, it's a very good signal on my fish finder. I see a lot of white bait, all ranges, and at the bottom sometimes I see some signs of jack mackerel. So let's drop the rig. Maybe the current is too slow. Yeah, it started off really slow. Alright, here it comes. But right after the current started to go faster, this is jack. They suddenly turned on. This is Jack. Hello, Jack. Another one. Ah, he came up. All right, another one. Hey, this one. Then suddenly I got a big tag. It's obviously not jack mackerel. By the way, this is only 12-pound sabiki. It's pretty thrilling, isn't it? So enjoy this big fight for a while. Yellowtail. Not you. It's not you what I want. Yep. Don't destroy my sabiki. Don't ruin it. Hey. Come on. Come on. Gentle, gentle, gentle. This sabiki is really strong. So I clean up all the fish I caught today. Scale them, gill them, and gut them, and separate the head from body. So first of all, I get to work on Saba Sushi. It's one of pretty common dishes served at a sushi restaurant. And this is something that always comes to my mind when I catch mackerel. Salt the fillet to dehydrate and marinate the fillet with vinegar and kelp. And leave it for an hour. Prepare some sushi rice and roll it. Good. Saba Sushi. So today I'm gonna do one of my favorite dishes when I catch yellowtail. It's poke. Sesame seeds. Soy sauce. Mirin, just a little bit. Sesame oil. Salt. And a little bit of honey. And put this thing on the rice. For kids and wasabi for adults. It's good, perfect.